I recently acquired a kiln that came from a friend of mine whose father had it. I'm not really sure the condition of it. I do know that it only has 2 screws holding this whole panel on here. So I don't know if he was in the process of working on it or whatever. But I don't know much about kilns. Actually, I don't know anything about kilns. But I'm going to learn, I think. Or at least now I have an opportunity. It's pretty cool. It comes with a few things. I'm not even sure what you call all that stuff down in there. But it looks like things you set your work on. And there's 2 plug things, look like corks, only they're made out of stone. And I think they plug these holes because there's 2 holes and there's 2 plugs. So the first thing I need to do to power up this kiln is change the connector to something that I can plug into what I have around my house. So I've got this kit here. It says it can do 30 or 50 amp. I think the kiln only requires 20 amps, but I have a little bit more than that available, hopefully. So I've got it plugged in. I'm going to turn on the power and see what happens. Power supplied. Don't see anything glowing yet, so let's see what happens. The switches are off, they say. It's making some noise. You know that sound that you can hear current. There's a hum in the air. Well, that's cool. It sounds like it's humming.